just came back from LA. I wanted to check out some fabric, so that's what I did, and I found a store which was kind of expensive honestly, but I'm really excited because I found some cool colors, cool fabrics, sustainable, and yeah, so let me just show you guys what I got. First one I got is this purple color, which I love. This color, just like, I love it. Like literally, the purpose of these colors, like why I really wanted to buy stuff right now, is because I want to do like a little mini collection for February, because February is my birthday month. Really wanted to pick some colors out that, you know, kind of encompassed me, and also just like February. So I got this purple because purple is my favorite color, and it's not like, you know, that bright purple. It's more of a mauve-y, like muted purple, which I love. And then I also got 2 yards of this fabric, which is literally so soft, and I'm so excited to make some really cute things with this. And yeah, this fabric is just so soft, it's so stretchy. And then also, obviously, February, Valentine's Day, love, all that shiz. I had to get red, and this is just a perfect red, and this is recycled plastic, I believe. I got an olive green color. I did get a recommendation to get an olive color, so this is what I have. So I just have 1 yard of this, 1 yard of this, and this is also recycled, which is really nice. Let me show you guys what I've done to my little office space. I'm so sorry that I look like a mess. It's just, I did not want to put any makeup on today because I'm just breaking out, so I'm just gonna let my skin breathe. Probably because I'm eating s'mores in the middle of the night. Just kidding. Picked up this table from a thrift store, and then I also just added these really cool shelving organizer things, and this is where I'm gonna keep all my fabrics. So up here is gonna be like the underwear fabric, which is like the jersey, nice and soft, and then right here is just like swimwear fabric. And yeah, I need to get rid of all of this, so you know, start making some orders please, because I need to get rid of these fabrics so I can make room for the new fabrics. And then in here is like inventory stuff, so I need to freaking laminate my patterns. And then I have just some inventory right here, which I haven't even taken any photos in because I've been very lazy, okay? And then down here is supposed to be supplies and stuff, so yeah. So right now, because I'm in this like, I want to buy a bunch of shit type of mood, I'm going to order some more fabric. I'm going to be ordering some bamboo fabric. Yeah! I'm excited. I'm excited to spend money. February, my birthday month. Very important month because I am going to be really going ham and trying to do everything I could to make my brand a little bit more, to make it just like more known, I guess. Are you okay over there? You want more agua? Okay. I'm really happy with how these tank tops came out for my store. I'm so happy with them. Something I would totally wear, something I can see a lot of girls wearing. Yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna take some photos and hopefully have it on the website today. Okay guys, I need some pictures for my Instagram. I'm trying to make it like more aesthetically pleasing because right now it's just a bunch of like shots that I did for my website. So this is my outfit. I'm just gonna take this off, and I want to take a picture with like a rose, like holding a rose, and then just like a lifestyle shot, I guess you would say. I just posted on my Instagram, and I love the way those shots came out. This is my Instagram in your dreams. Let me take this shot. I had first uploaded that one, but I took it off because I just want to like have a vibe, you know? So I'm here at the fabric store. I just came out of it because they don't have the fabric that they always have, and all of a sudden they don't have it. So I just go to LA, go to the fashion district and try to find some. What's up everybody? So I just got ready. I'm going to the fabric store because I need to get some waterproof paint, and then I also got to pick something up for my nephew. So I'm just gonna head over there right now. It's about to be 10 o'clock. And yeah, I finished up the orders. I need to make a new bag for this order so I can mail it out. I've been doing bags like these, but I'm just trying to like perfect this stencil work. I was using this spray paint, fabric paint, whatever. Finally back at my place, and I'm very excited for this day. I have everything I've been wanting. Alright, so I'm going to insert these into my printer. Well, the printer worked with the shipping labels. I don't know why I always feel like some things are just not gonna work out, but it worked perfectly, as it should have. Look at how cute my freaking binder looks. It is just like lilac purple color. It's gonna have the shipping labels, and then I'm going to laminate my patterns and then hole punch them so they could be all right here. So right now I'm going to have to make these muslin bags. So I'm gonna make 2 of these. This is very simple to make, honestly. If you guys are also selling stuff and you wanna have a cute little drawstring bag, I think these are really easy and cute to have. So my dumbass, I got into the swimsuit. I wasn't really paying attention. I burnt it, so I had to make a new one. I was so excited to ship this out already and do some other stuff, but oh wow. Yeah, I'm just really stressed out. So yeah, now I'm making another one. Finally am finished and I can go take this to the post office, and I just love this packaging. I think it's so dope and I feel so legit now. I feel very accomplished. February 19th, and I am just getting ready to ship out my first international order. What? I'm so excited, except I'm kind of nervous because I know it's gonna be a little bit expensive. So all last night what I was doing was trying to figure out like a cheap way to ship internationally with post office, and just looking at different freaking shipping options, and everything is just so expensive. I did some research and there's a cheaper way supposedly to ship internationally, and that is with first class. So shipping first class. So basically I'm gonna pack up my order right now, and then I'm gonna head to the post office. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm packing my orders. So I've been waiting for about like 2 weeks for this, maybe less than that, I don't know, but these are some postcards that I'm gonna be putting in my orders. These are gonna go in every order, and this is how I look. Ah, they're so fucking cute. I love them. And they're just so professional. It's just on the front, it's just my logo, and then my current like collection photo, you know? And then on the back, it just has a thank you message. You get 20% off with this code that I have right here. You guys can't see it. The washing instructions. So this is hand wash. hand wash and tumble is fine, tumble dry. Where did I get them from? So I got these cards from moo.com. I believe I have a coupon code, so if you guys are looking to get like postcards for your orders and for your store or something, everything is recycled paper, so this is all like super eco-friendly. I also got some stickers from them just to see how they were, and this is how they came in this little envelope as well, and it just says in your dreams, my logo in white and then in purple. So I'm gonna wrap it in tissue paper and then I'm gonna put a little sticker just to like close it and stuff. Alright, so let's start packaging. I already made my bags. I made one for this one. This is how it looks. And I just did the fabric spray paint and put my logo with my stencil. Oh. You guys can't even see it. Alright, so for this order, the one that's going to London, it's going to London town, it is the Paloma tank top. And this is how it looks. It's basically what I have on right now, but in white. It's made from recycled water bottles, which is awesome, and that's why I bought this fabric. All the basics that I have on my website are all sustainable fabrics. My packaging is very simple, but very cute and thoughtful, which I think is really important. So I have that. Ooh. And then my mailers are here. So cute, y'all. Okay, what to do right now is print out the invoice. If this were to be sealed, it would be like this, and I would have the shipper right here, but I believe they're gonna give me the shipper at the post office, so yeah. That's it. Alright, so now I am going to the post office. I just took some pictures of like my packaging, took everything back out and stuff. I just want to start doing like Instagram highlight stories and stuff because I want to have my page, I want my page to be more interactive and also give more like insight and information to possible followers and customers. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to do more like highlights and stuff. Alright, so I'm going to the post office. Peace. Right now I am editing some pictures that I took for my packaging highlights for my Instagram. That's basically all I'm gonna do right now. Is just gonna edit these and post on the Instagram and then just edit this video basically. I did edit my website a little bit because I want to do free shipping on orders over 60 for international customers because it is very expensive. I mean, I understand like you don't want to pay for shipping. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm gonna edit these photos, post on the Instagram. I'll show you guys how the end. So yeah, I'll show you guys how the end result comes out. And if I don't speak to you guys then, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys really want to support, you guys can definitely shop. I'm going to come up with a special discount code for my YouTube viewers. If you guys aren't in the need to buy anything, I totally understand, but subscribing to my channel, liking this video is totally free, so definitely do that. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys later.